When a woman gets pregnant and gives birth to twins, and they are the first one that comes out, we call them atta pain. And the second one that comes from the mother's womb is called atakakra. But do you know those children that also come after the twins? Their names in fancy. Do you know them? And what if the twins, one is a boy and one is a girl? Do they have specific names by the Fantes? Yes, of course, they have specific names. That is what is coming up on this channel today. Please don't go away. Wait, I'll be right back with this lesson.
Subscribe to Triplets Multimedia for more educative content. See you. Bye-bye.
Welcome back. Thank you for staying. The name is Ochechrenyi Apiemensa, and this is Infante Kasisia. The channel's name is Triplets Multimedia. I'm going to give you a reason to subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. At the end of today's lesson, you'd have a reason to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's go straight up into today's lesson. When parents give birth to twins, and both are boys or girls, we call the first one atta pain. Please take note of this. When both are boys or both are girls, we call the first twin atta pain in fancy. And we call the second atakakra. Please take note of that. It's very important. When both are boys, both are girls, we have atta pain and atakakra. For this type of twins, we call them intatsin in fancy. Intatsin. That is when there are two boys or two girls. We call them intatsin. In the event when we have twins where one is a boy and one is a girl, right? We call the boy Techi. Techi. So if you hear a name, someone called Techi, it means he's part of a twin and he is a boy. We call the boy Techi. But the girl who belongs to the twin, the girl is called Kuro. Kuro or Ata. Kuro or Ata is the girl. And the boy is called Techi. Please don't get confused. Very simple, right? When it happens that this woman is blessed with triplets, right? Triplets. How do we call triplets in fancy? Well, in fancy, we call this intansa. Intansa. This word is a compound word that was obtained from two words. Inta as in twins, nsa as in three, ibasa. So intansa. Intansa. In other words, we say twins who are three of twins, right? Something like that. You get it? You don't get it? Well, after giving birth to twins, whether two boys or two girls or a girl and a boy, after that, the woman gives birth to another child. That child in fancy, we call him or her Tewia. Tewia. So this name is very common. We hear it, Tewia, 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 Tewia. So the name Tewia means that that girl or boy is following twins. After Tewia, the woman decided to get pregnant again and give birth to another child. That child who comes after Tewia, in fancy, we call him or her Abam. Abam. Please take note of this one too. When the woman is very fertile, they are not stopping giving birth. They want to continue. Now, in the case they give birth to another child after Abam, the third child after giving birth to a twin, right, is called Nyankomago. Nyankomago in fancy. You wonder if after Nyankomago, a woman will give birth to another child again. Yes, of course, it's possible. When it happens this way, the next child that comes after Nyankomago is called Ituakesen. Ituakesen. Note that, it's very important. The next child after Ituakesen is Abobakrokroba. Abobakrokroba. I know most of you do not know this, yes, because the reason is that you wouldn't expect someone to be giving birth after twins so much. But you know, it's possible. It happens. It happens like that. We have this child after a Tuakesen called Aboba Krokroba. And according to the accounts or the Fantes, twins have a meat that they don't chew, and that is a rat. Kusi, thank you very much for coming to the channel. We have learned a lot about twins and their related names here on the channel. Please continue to watch other videos here on the channel. Get yourself educated with Fante in mind. Please, 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 please scroll through our videos and get yourself acquainted with the language. We are trying our best to give you the best. Until we meet again, the name is Ochechrenyi Apia Mensa. I'm clapping too much. Sorry, I'm clapping too much. Sorry, it's a mannerism. I have to stop that, yeah. See you again on this channel. Bye-bye. Hello, before we go, this is Joel. I want to ask if he knows. Joel, where 3? How do we call them? Intansa. Earlier on, he told me Intanfa. Say Intafo 3 or from them of Fancy. How did Intafa? What's Intafa?